Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Yoghurt Free Tikka Paneer from scratch. Today I'm using store-bought paneer, but I'll also include the link to my homemade one in the description below. Before I start, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, cut up around 500 grams of paneer into 2 to 3 centimeter size cubes and add to a bowl. Tip over 2 tablespoons of mustard or vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoons of tandoori masala powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of mint sauce, a quarter of a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of red colouring if you like yours traditionally red like the restaurants. If you wish, you can also add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for extra flavour. Combine thoroughly, cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours for the seasoning to penetrate. When you are ready to cook, remove from the refrigerator around 30 minutes before cooking. Turn up your grill to around 230 Celsius and line a tray with tin foil. Oil the surface of the tray to stop the paneer sticking. Space out your paneer and drizzle over a little oil and place under the grill for around 6 minutes or until the top starts to singe. Remove from the heat, turn the pieces over and drizzle with a little more oil. Place back under the grill for another 6 minutes. When it's cooked, you're ready to use immediately or store in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze as required. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.